Using a DSLR camera on an Xbox is as easy as plug and play with a few cables. Let me show you. So let me tell you what you're going to need before we actually show you how to do it. Is you're going to need a DSLR camera. And I figure this is pretty obvious if you're watching up to this point still, but if not, you need one. Now, there are several different options. I'll leave a few in the comments below, in the description below, of what I recommend if you're going to go buy one. There are a cute couple Sonys that are not cheap, but on the cheaper side than really expensive ones, and it'd be a really good streaming camera to start out with if you're looking for a DSLR camera to do that with. And another thing you're going to need is a light. You're going to need a light to light your face, light your, with the camera. Lighting is everything when it comes to these things. These phones have very small sensors in them, so you want a decent light to capture your, the complexion of your skin and all that good stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna leave some cheap ones down below in the description for you as well, so I got you covered there as well. I'm hooking you up to everything. You don't have to do nothing. Just sit back, relax, eat some popcorn, and let's get to streaming. So another cable you're gonna need is a USB Type A to a HDMI female. Now, this is what you're gonna actually be the capture card. Yes, you need a capture card of some sorts. They are super inexpensive. I'm gonna leave a bunch of them that I can find that have decent reviews and stuff in the description for you guys, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna do all the legwork for you guys. Another cable you're gonna need is a micro HDMI to a HDMI male. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is literally take your HDMI cable, your mini, plug into the camera, plug in the HDMI male into the female of the capture card, and then plug that capture card into the Xbox. And from here, you just go to settings, to your stream. You'll see where it's identifying the camera now. You can pick where you want it at on the screen. And from there, just go live, easy as 1, 2, 3. If you want to see how to use a USB mic on your Xbox, check out one of these videos over here to my right, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.